Hi guys, it's Percy once again for another amazing and stupendous and awe-inspiring Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. And as promised, our fast food toy story for today will be about another Max toy, the better half of the chicken. Okay, let me show you. Our fast food toy story for today is I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Alright, okay, so this is the Green Rooster, the iconic rooster of Max's Fried Chicken, the fast food restaurants, another homegrown fast food restaurant which is very successful, if I may do say so myself. This Green Rooster, I don't know why they colored it green, because frankly I haven't seen a Green Rooster in my whole life. Maybe you're probably red or something very colorful, but not green. But anyway, it kind of worked. So this is the green, the better half of the chicken. But you know, prior to their finding each other, we would see them running around in circles looking for true love. And this Green Rooster, this mascot, I'm just not sure if they have a specific name. I kind of forgot to ask the restaurant. Maybe one of these days I might be able to put it in the note below so that we would see just the true name of this Max's mascot, the Green Rooster. Okay, so this Valentine, this Green Rooster is actually a testament to patient waiting. You know, sometimes life would not serve our perfect match made in heaven on a silver platter, like it would be there literally waiting for us. And sometimes we need a lot of patience, and as I always say, patience is such a virtue. Instead of plunging into relationships after another relationship after another, and then end up being so exasperated and so tired not finding true love, we must learn to be able to patiently wait. Okay, so patiently wait, no matter how many years it would take, as long as the perfect match will eventually come into our lives. And I think that will be very, very gratifying and such a welcome treat for all of us. So on this Valentine's, we must not fret if we don't have, true blue Valentine's date. You know, in the Philippines we call that samahan ng mga malalamigang Valentines, or samahan ng mga walang Valentines. I don't know. There is such a experience. There is such a group. But anyway, sometimes during Valentine's Day we might end up without having a love relationship. But then we must learn, just like our rooster here, who patiently waited for true love to come into his life. And then when it did come, he is so happy when he finally met with each other. They finally met, these two mascots of Max's. Sometimes we would see them as running around the circus, like I said, they're running after each other. But then after so much waiting, all his efforts finally paid off. Sometimes in life we might end up saying, oh my God, how long does it take for true love to come into our lives? You know, you're so tired of waiting. Kahit tagal, ang tagal. But take it from our rooster here, who patiently waited and not giving in to that disappointing feeling. And true enough, all his patience paid off. And now, on Valentine's Day, our rooster here will be with the true love of his life, the other mascot of Max's. Okay, isn't it cute? What such a wonderful love story. Okay, I think I'm a third wheel in this relation. Hey, guys, knock it out. Okay. So, as a tribute to this fast food toy story, for the wonderful and amazing lesson he gave us. I think we can learn a thing or two from his experience of waiting. So this is our song for our Fast Food Toy Story for today. Max's Rooster. Para bang ako'y mababaliw sa tingin mo ako'y mahalin. Minamahal kita, ligapin mo sana kay tagal.
You've got a friend in me.